How to delete story on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome and let's start the video. First of all, open Facebook app. Then on home page of your Facebook account, you can see your story which has been uploaded by you. Now tap on your story. You can see your story. So now you can see 3 horizontal dots on top right of your story photo or video. So tap on it. And now you can see many options for your story. For now we have to delete the story, so tap on delete photo or video whichever you have uploaded on the story. But if you want to remove story and save photo or video, tap on archive. Now again press on delete to confirm. After deleting the story, you return to home page of Facebook. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe for more tutorial content video.